Thank God I was next to the sink. Wow. Okay guys, these are my wings over here. Hi everybody, welcome back to Cantonese food recipes. I'm Andrew and tonight I'll be showing you guys how to make some fermented red bean curd chicken wings. Basically it's a marinade of the fermented bean curd with other ingredients on the chicken wings, and then it will be pan fried until it's almost like fried chicken. So yeah, but you won't be using like deep fry method. So you'll be just coating the chicken wings like you used to when you fry chicken, and we are just going to pour in a little bit of oil and pan fry both sides until it's crispy and golden. But I think it won't be golden because it's red bean curd, so it'll be a bit of reddish color, but it will taste very delicious. So let's get cooking. Okay guys, so today I have 9 chicken wings over here. We're just going to chop them up in half here on the bone, and then we also got to cut off the little piece of wing end of the chicken wing. So we're just going to be working with these 2 pieces over here of the chicken wing. So yeah, we're gonna chop up all our chicken wings, dump it in a bowl, and then I'll show you guys how to marinate them. Okay guys, let me show you how to marinate the chicken wings. But before this recipe continues, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks guys. Okay, first we're gonna sprinkle some salt. Just a good sprinkle like that. Okay, next we're going to sprinkle some white pepper. Quick sprinkle just like that, not too much. Okay, next we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of sugar. 2 teaspoons of sugar. Okay, we're going to add in half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. Okay, we're going to drizzle some oyster sauce all around. Just like that. Okay, a little drizzle of soy sauce, light soy sauce, just like that. Not too much, just, you know, a little drizzle is good enough. Next, a little drizzle of Chinese rice wine, just like that. A little drizzle of sesame oil, and then some olive oil. If you guys follow me, if you've been watching my videos, always the marinade, you can see every time I do all my recipes, it's always the same marination. It's just either I add in a different sauce or something in the end, and then makes it into a different dish. So if you just learn this method of marination, you can make any dishes out of this marination. So yeah, you can go buy any sauces or anything, you can make any kind of chicken wings you like. Okay, next over here is the secret ingredient over here. This is fermented red bean curd that you can buy from your Chinese supermarkets. Just check that out. It's a red kind of color, and it's basically like cubes of kind of like tofu, kind of like cubes over here. So yeah, I'm just gonna add in 1 cube plus some of that red sauce over here. This is special. And you can see if you watch my stewing recipes, I mostly use this secret ingredient over here that makes anything taste good. This is the one. Okay, let's add this in. Check that out, like a piece of jelly. Okay, just dump this in. Add in a few teaspoons of that red sauce over here. Okay, just 3 little teaspoons, and let's mix this up. Okay, let's mix this up. Crush that fermented bean curd over here. That red fermented bean curd, smudge it up onto the chicken wings here. Give it a good mix, and now we're going to add in some cornstarch. Okay, now you're going to look how much liquid is in your bowl. Over here I can see there's kind of a lot of liquid, so just add enough cornstarch so you can create like a thick batter to coat the wings for the marination. So I think I'm gonna add in two teaspoons cornstarch first. Just give that a quick mix. Okay, looks good. You can see the marinade's a bit kind of like thick, So yeah, it's good. Just let that marinade sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes, and then I'll show you guys how to pan fry them. Okay guys, so our chicken wings over here is marinated nicely. Just give it a quick mix. Now it's very simple. We're just going to get a little bowl here, and we're just going to add in some cornstarch, and it's best to use some chopsticks. If you don't know how to use chopsticks, just use some tongs or something, and then we're just going to coat it with the cornstarch. We're going to preheat our pan, and we're gonna add like a thin layer of oil, and then it will fry and it'll become like fried chicken wings here. So let's do this now. Okay, let's add in a few teaspoons of cornstarch here so that we can coat the chicken wings nicely. Okay, let's preheat our frying pan. Okay guys, so we're gonna pour in a little thin layer of oil to our preheated pan here. It's a good amount that it covers the base of the pan, just like that. Okay, let that heat a little bit, and because the whole pan is hot now and the oil, it will start to burn up, so we're going to tune down the heat to the lowest first, and we're just going to test it out a little bit. Okay. You can see it will already start to fry over here. Okay, so here's our chicken wings. Give that a little mix. That batter, the fermented red bean curd batter here. Just grab one wing here, coat. Just a little quick coat like this is fine. It doesn't need to be coated fully, just like that. Just gonna layer it. Just a quick dab, coat of the cornstarch here. Just layer it nicely. This will give the wings a crispy crunch when we bite into this. Same with the thighs over here, the chicken wing thighs here. A little quick coat of that flour. Okay, once we're done layering all our wings, then we can turn the wings around and also increase the heat if we need to. Very quick and easy basic fried chicken recipe that requires little oil. Okay guys, so I'm just going to do this for the rest of the wings. Okay guys, as you can see, I've done all my chicken wings over there. We can tune up the heat now on high, just for the oil to heat up a bit, and then we can tune down the heat whilst the wings burn. We need to cook these wings for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's golden. Okay, so the earlier wings, we're gonna flip it around. But now if the oil is boiling up like this, we're going to tune down the heat again. We don't want the wings to burn. So the earlier wings is about this side, so just gonna give it a quick flip. You can see it's starting to crisp up over there. The wings should cook very fast. The thighs, the chicken wing thighs will take a bit longer to cook over here. So we just gotta flip it around and check on them. And if it requires more heat, when the oil doesn't bubble enough, we just gotta tune up the heat like now. Flip it around. So basically we just gotta fry this until it's golden crispy, until it looks ready. You can see that crispy coating over here. Let me just zoom in. As you can see, you just need some cornstarch and it forms this crispy crunch. And the marination all soaked up into the chicken wings over here. Okay, it's bubbling up, tune down the heat to the lowest. continue to flip the chicken wings. Well, these chicken wings over here have been placed at the later stage, so that's why here it's not that crispy. I'm just gonna leave it there. Let those cook for a while. So I flip it around sometimes just to let all the sides of the chicken wing gets cooked. So I'm using a gas flame, so basically the center part of the oil should be very hot and the sides shouldn't be that hot. So sometimes you can move the pieces to the sides, and you can just let the ones that was placed earlier on to the center to be cooked better. This is the method of fried chicken that requires less oil, and I hope you guys give this recipe a try. You see the chicken wing blood is starting to pop out. Once I see there's no more blood coming out, then the wing should be ready. Okay, the oil looks like it's super hot now. We've got to tune down the flame. At the end of this, we would want the oil to be super hot, so we will get that crispy coating on these chicken wings over here. You can see it start to splatter because of the chicken wing skin, because we didn't like fully coat it with that cornstarch. So yeah, it's starting to, the skin will explode, so just be on the lookout. Quick flip again. Whoop, oh, just got splattered. Turn back up the heat. It's almost ready. These are just chicken wings. If you see like this bloody part over here, you see that you have to flip it, so you can cook that side by the blood part. So now it's cooking on high heat. So it's the final stages. And I want that golden color that I'm looking for before I plate these. So this oil over here, I'm using sunflower oil. If you have a lot of money, you can use some healthy olive oil, but I'm just using some normal vegetable seed oil here. Okay. Because now it's on a high heat, you must keep on flipping the chicken around to make sure that it doesn't burn. Now it's on high heat and you'll get that crispy. Ow! Shit, I turned down the heat, I just got splattered. Okay, I'm switching off the flame. Okay, so it's dangerous, guys, be careful. Should be ready. Thank God I was next to the sink. Wow, fingers would have been damaged. Okay, the wings should be ready. Let's plate them. Okay guys, these are my wings over here, and my hand is paining now. Okay guys, let's try this out. Okay guys, shit, just got burnt. But you can feel that heat from that oil, but it's fine. Just rinsed it with cold water. Okay, let's see this. These are my fermented red bean curd chicken wings over here. Check that out. I believe the chicken wing skin exploded. Thank God that oil was just splattered on one of my hands. But anyways, I do these recipes for you guys to watch, so please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let's just taste the chicken thigh over here. See what it tastes like. See what it tastes like here. Damn, super good. Let's give this recipe a taste. Damn, it's so good. Well, anyways, guys, thanks guys for watching. We make this recipe. Tonight's the first night that I got burnt, but anyways, thanks guys for watching. Peace.